I hope this one's focusing right.
These bikes over here, I need, what's this, Love Daddy?
I know half of these cats out here.
Daddy. Love Daddy? Who is that? Blue Daddy, that's you. Come here, man. This guy brings these bikes around the world, y'all. These Lowrider bikes. He will not let this thing die. We appreciate you.
It's air ride. I thought it had juice on. Oh no, that was the one that had the 13s on it, or 14s.
So now this other bike here, this is a chopper. This is Mr.
Oh, it's clean interior.
It's a custom chopper. Okay, it's a custom Lowrider chopper. Yeah, that's the Lowrider in here. Custom Lowrider chopper. You get the best display award. You brought that thing out, you laid that rug out, you put wheels on it. You did a great job.
Stock clean caddy. That car, that's almost the same color as mine.
Yeah, I got one of these too.
Yeah.
86.
Man, that top is fresh on this joint. That top is fresh. Look at that.
Like I said in my post, I wanted certain displays to come out with the cars today, but I understand the rain kind of kept that away. But he still came out and did what he had to do. So I know it's easier for a bike, but he did. So next time you come to the Valve Hydros, you can bring a display because I'm trying to go indoor next time.
I'm not sure whose cutty this is. I've seen it before.
And that's why you got to
It's Our Gang CC. It's a nice trunk setup.
I appreciate you coming.
2.4 battery. Looks almost like my pumps.
And the prop I had on my hood of my Monte Carlo, Mike made that. You got a name when you come.
A drastic cutlass.
Ain't no side. He's good at what he does. He's really good at what he does. Yeah, actually some of the workers in Mike's cars are the green, the gray, and pop. Yeah. Thank you, Mike. Isaac King, 94.
Mark's Cuddy. Yeah, Cuddies are out here heavy, bro. Like everybody got Cuddies. Where the Regals and the Monties at?
Isaac. Is the BMW still here? Hey.
Mark's ride is always clean.
You, Isaac? Are you sure you're out? You got I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Beautiful hardline work. I believe Rudy did this from LC.
Appreciate that.
Lowrider Connection.
Ralph Flanagan, Volkswagen Jetta.
Another LC car. Rudy is nice with them hard lines. Oh yeah, it's branded pumps. I didn't know that. The remote dump setup. It's fresh. Superstar right here, boy. It's sick. Straight custom. I believe this is 78. Can never tell. I know it's not one of the 80s though.
99 CRV. That's the one sitting over here and all the music in there.
Got the B pillar delete.
I will tell her to turn the music down so we can hear yours. Yours will probably out around there. Did y'all look inside? Yeah, you got a lot of
This is a drastic New York car.
That's so cool. That's sick. Yeah. Had the car for not even a week. Drove it here out.
Clean as a whistle underneath too. Can't really see with the light. Custom mirrors. Shaved doors. It's nasty, right? That grill is wild, bro. I'm gonna attempt to make my own custom like this, custom grill. I got a few ideas for how to do it. So there's basically probably 3 brackets behind it that connect to the core support. Then it's probably tigged onto the bracket, stainless pipe or tube. What is it, 68 Camaro on spokes? That's wild. This is the first. For sale, mbcustoms.biz is the Instagram. It's like a work in progress.
We appreciate you coming. Now, you gotta get back to Switzerland. You gotta hear shots. That don't come. Next year, somebody talk to him. Next year, spend it with us.
This is a 62, I believe. I think so. Yeah, I believe that's 62. What's up, dog? What's good with you?
Finding dumpsters? Finding dumpsters in the area?
What's your name again?
Lonesome.
Okay, got you. What's good, bro? Okay, got you. Yeah, man.
Follow
Like,
you on IG.
I went out last night like a dumbass and like woke up super late. Then it was raining. Had to jump out of the house, get the car washed up. Then it still got dirty on the way here. Like whatever.
You got caught in the rain?
No, not really. No, I was just like drizzled on the way here or whatever. So that's my man Wayne right here. He got what is it,
87.
Yeah, 87 Regal. He's working on. Yeah, I got a long ways to go. Huh?
We saw the car and it looks familiar. Like,
Yeah. Like last year, I was at Drastic, LC, Lolo's, so. Yeah, so I mean, I honestly, bro, I haven't even touched the car because I'm still putting the shop together. Like, I didn't realize it was going to be as much. Let me stop this real quick.